So we're going to work out a couple division problems now using the grouping and sharing methods. So here's the first problem. Sally has 48 Skittles. She wants to share them evenly between her and her 5 friends. How many Skittles does each person get? Alright, so we've got 48 Skittles, and it's going to be distributed between her and her 5 friends. That means you've actually got 6 kids that are going to end up with Skittles here. So the reason this first one is called sharing out is because you're basically going to share the 48 Skittles evenly between the 6 kids. So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing 6 circles, each one representing one of the kids and how many Skittles they're going to get. So if I were dealing with a smaller number like 12, I would probably just go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I would see, oh, each kid gets 2 Skittles. That's easy. But when you're dealing with large numbers, that becomes pretty inefficient. It takes too long. So what we want to do is kind of make it go a little bit more quickly, and we can do that by divvying out this 48 in chunks. So let's go ahead and start by giving each kid 5. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I've given away 30 of the Skittles, so I got to keep track of that. So I've taken 30 Skittles away, and I've got 18 left that I need to divvy out. So let's give each kid another 2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I've given away another 12. Again, I need to keep track of that, so I'm doing that over here. 18 minus 12 is 6. So now I've just got 6 Skittles left to distribute to the 6 kids. So that's easy, each one gets one more. So now I've got no Skittles left, and each kid has ended up with the same amount, which is 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8 Skittles. So each of the 6 kids got 8 Skittles. Okay, for this next problem, we're going to use the grouping strategy. So here's the problem. James and his friends are carpooling to the skating rink for his birthday party. There are 24 kids altogether, and each car holds 4 kids. How many cars will it take to get all the kids to the skating rink? Okay, so let's go ahead and write these numbers down and keep track of them so we know what we're working with. We've got 24 kids, and we know that 4 kids fit in the car. So we need to try and figure out how many cars we're going to need altogether. So basically, we're going to start with that 24, and we're going to divide or kind of deal out the kids in sets of 4 until we figure out how many sets of 4 we're going to need altogether. And that's why this is called grouping. Because you already know the size of the group, which is 4 in each car, and you're just trying to figure out how many groups are you going to need altogether. So, we'll basically just take away 4 at a time. So 24 minus 4 is 20. So that's one group. Okay, and we take away another 4, and that gets us down to 16. So that's another 4 kids. Take away another 4, that gets us down to 12. That's another 4, gets us down to 8. Another 4, gets us down to 4. So that means that we've got just 1 left, and that gets us down to 0. So now there are no kids left. All kids are taken care of in a car. So how many cars did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to take 6 cars to transport all the kids to the skating party. So that's how you use grouping and sharing to work out division problems.